Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, we did pull back a lot at the 78%. I've been saying for the last couple of days this first push down is either a 1 or an A. This is either a corrective wave B or a corrective wave 2, and we're either in a wave C, which would respect the fib level and then turn back up, continuing the higher time frame uptrend, or we're potentially in a wave three. And if it is a wave three, it will go down and it will break this structure. Which, if it does break this structure, I think is going to confirm a much bigger turn to the downside on the higher time frames, like the weekly. Maybe even the whole move up right here is just a correction, and this is going to keep going down. Now, it definitely looks like it's trying to respect this 78%, but looking at the dollar index and other correlated dollar pairs, I'm really not convinced that it is turning up. If you go down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last move down. It if it is some sort of a flat, which I think a lot of the dollar pairs are forming flats, that it can go up and at least back up to these highs like the 105. But the 90% is also a really good target. If this does turn into like an engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely take it as a short. The daily time frame is definitely still telling us that we should be bearish. If this really is the bottom right here of a wave C, then today needs to be a very bullish day. Price needs to go up. It needs to break structure, confirming that this right here really is the bottom of a wave C. If it does anything besides go up and break structure with momentum, then you're likely looking at a pullback within a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.